Hey guys, Mark here, and before we get started, I just want to give a quick disclaimer. Past results do not indicate future results, so please make sure you do your own research. Trading can be very risky and you could lose all your invested capital. Everything I'm doing here is on a demo and is for educational or entertainment purposes only. So let's get started. As you see here, I'm in two trades, right? I have a sell and a buy. I'll show you why I took both of these. If we go on my Thinkorswim, I will just do this. Okay, so I have two platforms I give this system for, okay? TradingView and Thinkorswim. Now, Thinkorswim gave us a sell, and I'll explain that, while TradingView gave us a buy, okay? The sell Thinkorswim gave us started because if you watch any of my other videos on this, I explained that you want price to start or trade above one of these bands at first, the green or the red. It doesn't matter where it starts, as long as the first thing it does is trade above this one or this one, that will be your trading decision. In our example here, it started above the red, okay? Or it traded above the red. It doesn't matter. It could be a long wick, okay? And then, so that gave us a sell. So we're looking to sell anytime it goes below the red line. And it did right here, okay? Once it did right here, we entered a trade, okay? We entered for the first strike above the high of the open because we couldn't get above this high because the strike was too high. And I even thought that we would not even get to this strike here. Fortunately, price did rally up and we did get in. The strike was here, so we were out the money for a little bit right here and then right here, and then price has dropped, so now we're kind of safe. Now the other thing is the buy. Well, the buy came because on TradeView price started in the red band, but it didn't trade above the red band. It actually traded below the green band, okay? So that means on TradeView the first thing it did was become a buyer. This usually never happens, but today I guess was different because yesterday we had no trade. So I guess the rally up must have made the bands bigger for the sell side on TradeView, and that's why it didn't trade above. Now it traded below, so you would have got in right here. If it didn't fill you in here, you would have got filled when it came down here. The strike was all the way down here, so you were safe. It never even went out the money. So the buy side was a safer trade apparently because the price never came down here. And as you could see, price is still trading above. It has to drop all the way down here. So the buy side was safer today. Now if we go back onto Nadex, you'll see these trades. Again, this was the strike. This is on a 1 hour chart. Let me switch to 5 minutes to kind of show you guys. Okay, so again, as you saw on let's see, this is a 5 minute chart. Why don't I see what time we started? Okay, there we go. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so this was where it started, around here, 9:30. It dropped, went above, and our strike, you see, was in the middle, in between that. So we did trade above it a little bit, and now it's in the money. It's about to expire. It's about to expire in exactly 1 minute, so we're not too worried about this. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. However, also, if you're in the Telegram group, make sure you leave a comment below if you've backtested the system, so other people who watch the video can see that it has a really high accuracy. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.